Good morning, Judy here from Thistledew Creations. Today I wanted to give you a thorough flip through of this paper pad of the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady. It's a collector's edition paper pad with over 86 elements. This one I received was open, so I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't missing. No, it seems to be complete. I've got two more of them that were unopened, so I just wanted to check. But I'll do a flip through of them. I got them from a lady down in Utah. So we've got the cover, which you've got lots of paper on it that you could use. And it's a nice cardstock. And then the first few pages are, it looks like the age of it is 2021. So the first few pages are die cuts of little tags and quotes and things. Solid white backing, and again, they're fairly thick pages. And then we've got some really pretty birds on these ones. Nice green background. And then we've got some strips with butterflies. I'm not sure where in the book these came from. I think there was a few of them through the book here. Yeah, like there's one there on the edge of the page. So it might be another short page somewhere that's come off of. But those are even good to use. Could use them on my ATCs for sure. There's another one. Must come off of those green pages. Yeah, it came off of these pages here. And then a nice round one. And even in the background, there's still some, like once the die cuts are out, there's still going to be some strips of page I can use. And then we get into full pages. These are bumblebees and wildflowers. And then little blue birds with, you get gold dragonflies and flower clusters. And some butterflies with gold leaves and flowers. Gold butterflies with some allium, it looks like, and different wildflowers. Some bumblebees with yellow daisies. Some poppies, just some little gold specks on that one. These ones don't have the gold, but they're beautiful muted colors. The mauve and the green, little dragonflies on there. More autumn. Beautiful blue sky. Nice leafy background. Pretty pink design. This almost has like a magazine page feel. And then the beige background. A couple of each of those, I guess. And then a nice powder blue one. Two of those as well. And then the back cover. So very good 8x8 papers, more like cardstocks. And I get, like I say, I have 3 full books of them, so if someone does see something they just have to have, let me know what you have to trade. I'm always willing to do trades because I probably won't use them all. And along with the same stuff, I got some loose papers, so I'm not sure what they came out of, but I'll just do a quick flip through while I've got you here. These are more like an A5. They do look like they've been torn out of a book or cut out of a book. I love the bumblebee paper. Pretty butterflies. What's on the back of that one? Oh, pretty over mauve butterflies. Some sentiments and some, now this isn't really cardstock. You could put it onto cardstock, but it has a nice background. Wildflowers. A dark green background. Some more of those birthday ones. More of the butterflies. This is pretty, the scroll design. And blue. Oh, those are really pretty. It has a nice purple butterfly background. So I think this was also an Edith Holden themed book. Not really sure, but nice papers. And then this other decoupage scrapbooking book is Edith Holden themed, and I got this as part of my Christmas gift for my sister. I'm guessing it was off of Amazon, but I'm not certain. If I can find it on Amazon, I will post a link for you. So decoupage scrapbooking, collectible country diary volume 2, papercraft ephemera to cut and collage. So if you're having trouble breaking into your original copy of The Diary of an Edwardian Country Lady, there's something like this made that you can, that's intended for this. So 13 double-sided sheets, 11 by 8, plus cutting margin. So these are set up more like you could make this as a page in a journal, fold it in half. And it's double-sided. So it doesn't look to be an exact copy of what would have been in her journal, just examples of things that would have been in her journal. I just did a flip through earlier this morning and not recognizing right off the bat these images. But it does have the beige shading around the edge like the original book had. So lots of great stuff. I've started a journal that's mostly Edith Holden so far, so I may be able to use some of these pages in there. It'll help me get the theme going all the way through the book. Very cool book. I might have to get another one of those just to do some fussy cutting with if I use the pages. And then there's some online resources from these same people that published this. So you can do a screenshot of those. And there's the ISBN number if you want to look it up. So if you like seeing flip-throughs of specialty books like this, subscribe to my channel. I do them all more and more all the time as I collect some of these special books that we've all been hunting for. I like to share with others what's in them because I've always wondered myself exactly what was in them. So thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, but most of all, have a great day. Happy crafting.